Hello guys, I am here with another video that is related to exams. Are you feeling the pressure of coming exams and loads of study material? Well, don't worry, because in today's video I've got your back with the best guide to cracking your exams in the shortest time possible. Whether you're a last-minute crammer or a procrastination pro, I've compiled the most effective strategies and shortcuts to help you prepare efficiently and effectively. So, grab your notebooks and pens, because it's time to explore the smartest tricks to exam success. Let's do this. So, if you're a student who hasn't read anything all year and you're short on time to prepare for exams, here's a condensed strategy to help you. Number 1. Prioritize topics. Identify the most important topics or chapters that are likely to appear in the exam. You can get help from your seniors to help mark you the most important topics. Know about the mark distribution for each chapter and how many marks each chapter carries. This will help you understand which chapter and topic is more important from an exam point of view, and it will give you a direction. Mark all these topics and chapters before starting the actual study. Now you know your goal, so it is time to focus all your energy on these areas to maximize your chances of success. Number 2. Summary resources. Look for summary resources such as study guides, cheat sheets, or condensed notes to prepare fast for exams. You can use the review books and review notes. All these contain topics explained in the simplest way possible, and every topic is easy to read and memorize. Because now you don't have enough time to go through lengthy explanations, so just focus on rapid review books. It will help you understand easily and will save you from mental fatigue. Number 3. Past papers. If you want to save time and you can't identify the most important topics, you can use past papers. The past papers will not only help you identify the most important topics, but will also help you understand the paper pattern and mark distribution. Practice answering these questions under timed conditions to familiarize yourself with the exam format and improve your speed. Another way is to use the solved past papers and prepare the whole subject from past papers. It can be risky, but in most cases, it can help you well to pass the exam with good grades. Number 4. Group study. When you don't know much about the syllabus and you are short on time, you try to find the people who are good at studies and have studied the whole year. Prepare a study place and invite these students or your friends to study together. Casually discuss what you have studied from summary books and past papers and ask them about the topics you could not understand. Discussion will help understand the topics quickly, and it will help you engage in active study. Exam season discussions mostly help solve the tricky questions in exams. So, join a study group with classmates who have been keeping up with the material. They can help fill in gaps in your knowledge and provide additional explanations. Number 5. Online resources. You can also use online resources such as YouTube videos, which will help you understand complex questions easily. Search most important questions related to important topics. Use ChatGPT to get their summary. Wikipedia can also help you well. This multidimensional approach will keep you focused and fresh and help stop brain fatigue. Number 6. Stay organized. Create a study schedule and stick to it. Work-life balance is necessary to stop early burnout and to relieve exam stress. Use study techniques like extended Pomodoro timer, Feynman technique, or any other according to your own study habits. Study in spaced intervals and reward yourself with songs, prayers, or coffee in between study sessions. Allocate specific time slots for each subject or topic and avoid distractions during study sessions. To maximize your focus, watch my video on how to 8x your focus on study without getting distracted. Number 7. Stay calm and confident. While it may feel stressful to prepare in a short amount of time, try to stay calm and focused. 1 hour's daily exercise can help you well to keep calm. Believe in your ability to learn and perform well on the exam. You can do it. It's just an exam and it will pass. It's just time management and focusing on important topics. If you want to know how to get the most out of the study material, watch my video on the 80-20 rule. Remember, while this approach can help you make the most of limited preparation time, it's essential to prioritize long-term learning and avoid procrastination in the future to prevent similar situations. If you like this video, share it with your friends as a token of appreciation. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.